We turned up in the party going crazy. Turning up in the party going crazy. We turned up in the party going crazy. Got on feeling kinda hazy.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different. I seen these little ground beef like type Rice Krispie treats on TikTok. So like I researched it and everything and I was like, okay, I should attempt to make these. So I need to get like in the Halloween spirit. So the first thing I'm gonna do is to make like a little Halloween treat that you can make on Halloween, like to give out to the kids or whatever. But it's supposed to be a Rice Krispie treat that looks like ground beef. And this is what you're gonna need if I'm not forgetting anything. You're going to need a meat packaging tray, like a styrofoam one, but you can order them on Amazon. I think they have like a pack for like $30. You can go to your local meat store or the meat department in the store and ask for a styrofoam tray, but I didn't want to ask nobody for no tray, so I just bought this plate from Target. This was $9. Just type in rectangle plate and this will pop up for $9. So this is what I got. Next, you're going to need some red velvet cake mix right here. The Jet Puff mini marshmallows, the small ones, the 10-ounce bag. It has to be exactly 10 ounces. So red food coloring, plastic wrap or saran wrap. I say plastic wrap. A box of Rice Krispies. I got the family size. I'm pretty sure you won't need a box this big, but yeah. Next, you're going to need a bowl to mix your ingredients in. Then a measuring cup and like a little, you're going to need a spoon / spatula to mix your stuff up. I don't really like spoons, so I'm using this instead to mix my ingredients. And you're going to need like a fake meat label so like it could look realistic. I printed this out. You can just search Google for like meat packaging labels, printable, and that should pop up. Oh, I forgot. You're also going to need butter. So yeah, those are all of your ingredients. So yeah, let's get started. And this is my first time making this, so I don't know if it's going to turn out right, but we're going to try to get it right. For starters, I'm going to try to be like prepared, and I'm going to cut out my little thing, because once I start messing with the Rice Krispie treats and all the marshmallows and stuff, I don't want to have to touch this. So I'm just going to have this already prepared on the side. And no, this is not edible. This is actual paper. You can print it on like edible material, but I'm not all that fancy because I don't really make sweets, so yeah. We're not gonna do all that today. Here's what it looks like once I cut it out. So we got that finished. And the recipe is, I don't know the lady's name. It's from lovingintheoven.com. That's the recipe I'm using. It's under red velvet Rice Krispie treats. So first things first, we're going to melt the butter. We're going to use 3 tablespoons of butter. So I'm going to get the butter open. Let me get a knife. I'm gonna move the camera so y'all can see, Okay, y'all, there's a better angle so you can see me cutting everything. And no, I'm not using the cutting board because I'm just cutting these 3 tablespoons. I'm not gonna do all that. So we're gonna put this in our bowl. Not exactly 3. And yes, my hands are clean. I washed my hands before the video. I know y'all probably saying she needs to wash her hands. We're going to open our marshmallows up. And pour all of them into the bowl. Now we're going to melt these in the refrigerator. Meaning the microwave. Put it on 30 seconds. It wasn't melted quite enough, so I put it on an additional 30 seconds. Here we go. Now I'm gonna mix it up. Like, this is having a hard time melting. Like, I don't understand. I'm not gonna put it on more time because this should be good. I'm just mixing it up enough so the butter can melt. Okay, I'm gonna put this to the side, and now I'm gonna measure out my red velvet cake mix. So it says I have a cup of the red velvet cake mix. So I'm gonna put a half a cup in here. I think that's about right. So yeah, we're gonna pour it into our melted marshmallow mixture already with our butter. And then we're gonna proceed to mix. I don't think I melted my marshmallows enough, y'all. But it's too late for that. I'm gonna put it on 10 more seconds because, yeah, it's not melted. Okay, that's much better. Now I'm gonna start back mixing again. It should mix easier because I had to melt it some more. It's going to give me a hard time at first, so. The butter still doesn't want to melt, but we're gonna ignore that. Now we're gonna take our red food coloring. I'm just gonna put like a couple, little drops. It didn't say how many drops, but we're trying to go like for a ground beef look here. I'm telling y'all, this is a good workout right here because these marshmallows are stiff. Okay, that's the best I could do. So now we're gonna measure out. It says 6 cups of Rice Krispies. So this goes up to 4 cups. So we're gonna do 4 and then we're gonna do 2. And y'all, just thought about it, like, I need to make a Rice Krispie treat first. Like, I haven't made one yet. So now we're just gonna pour 4 cups in here. That should be about 4 cups. We're gonna pour that in here. Now we're going to pour 2 more. That should be about 2. It's 2 cups right here. So now we're going to mix it. We're going to mix it all together. Like, I thought my bowl was big enough. I think I should have got a bigger bowl. But it's gonna have to work. I'm gonna put some more food coloring because we ain't got enough marshmallows, so we're gonna have to just make it do what it do. Now I'm gonna take it out the bowl and like mold it, because this spatula spoon thingy then did what it's gonna do. I gotta like really get up in here. So I'm about to do that. Okay, I'm washing my hands now because I had to get up in there, y'all, like try to like get the mixture together. So this is what we got now. Do it look like ground beef to y'all? Like, now it's all about presentation. So I'm just trying to make it. I was gonna do 2 like hamburger patties, but yeah, it got too sticky. So yeah, you gotta actually use your hands to work with it. So if somebody make you this and they try to serve it to you, just know they put their hands in it. So if you don't like people touching your food, don't eat this. I'm going back in with a little more red dye, just to like, you know, like give it the realistic look. Like the blood on the plate, like from okay, let me stop before it's not actually be edible. But I went a little overboard. But yeah, this is how it's looking. You can hear a snap, crackle, and pop in. That's what we got going on. Now we're gonna use our plastic wrap. I'm gonna open it. Here to start. Y'all always have a hard time with this, so I'm gonna try. With this. It say you gotta tear this off. Ooh. I'm gonna take this little piece off. I don't ever use the first piece. I don't know why, but I just don't want to. So we're gonna try like to, wait a minute. Okay, we're gonna try like to, I just wanna play with me now. We're going to try and cover it up enough. I can't remember with this great, y'all. So we're gonna have to just really work as it goes. We're gonna try to unravel it because it got messed up. Like fold it under. Now we have this. We're gonna put this on it. So what I'm gonna do is, see, mine's got a little wet. I accidentally got some food coloring on it. I'm going to, my hands are stained. I'm going to lay it right here. I'm gonna put another plastic wrap on it, just so, cause I can't actually like use glue or anything. So I'm just gonna put more plastic wrap on it. But yeah. So I'm gonna rip another sheet. I'm sorry, y'all gotta manhandle this because I can't. It don't want to do right. line it up perfectly. This is where my scissors come in handy, because I'm going to use my scissors to cut the rest of this plastic wrap off. Because it wouldn't cooperate with me. I don't know if y'all plastic wrap cooperates with y'all, but it don't. But yeah. Now here is the finished product. I'm so proud of it. It looks so realistic, and I would totally recommend this. Like, if you're having like a Halloween party, like you can make this for the kiddos. Like, you definitely get cool points for this. But it actually looks like real ground beef. Like, look at that. But we have to taste it, because if it don't taste good, what's the point of making it? So yeah, I'm gonna bring my mom to test this. So yeah, let's get her in here. Okay, here she is. She's gonna test it, taste test it. But I don't want her to eat this yet. So she's gonna, hold on. She's gonna taste it out of the bowl.
The bowl. There's a lot going on here.
You like it?
Like it. Mm-hmm.
Okay, what would you rate it on a scale of 1 to 10?
I'll give it a 9.5. Can I have this?
Yeah, you have it. Okay, so y'all see, y'all, she really liked this. So definitely try this recipe out, and let me know what else you would like for me to make. Like, I usually cook. I'm not really like with the treat, but yeah, she really liked it, y'all. So tell me what else you would like for me to make. I usually cook. I'm not really with like the bacon and like the sweets and all that, but yeah, comment below what you like for me to make next, whether it's like a Halloween treat or just like a regular dish. But yeah, let me know, and also let me know if you would make this. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and we out.